Welcome to day one of the AI Developer Program. Today you'll build a professional development environment from scratch, the exact setup used by engineers at top tech companies. Versus Code is the world's most popular code editor. You'll install it, configure essential extensions, and learn the keyboard shortcuts that make professional developers 3 times faster. Git tracks every change you make to your code. You'll learn the core workflow, initializing a repo, staging files, writing clear commit messages, and pushing to GitHub. The terminal is where real development happens. You'll master navigation, file operations, and the commands every developer uses every single day. Node.js lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. You'll install it, explore the NPM package ecosystem, and run your first server-side script. GitHub Copilot is an AI that writes code alongside you. Research shows developers using Copilot complete tasks 55% faster. You'll activate it in Versus Code and start using it today. Your deliverable for day one is a live portfolio website deployed to GitHub pages. You'll build it with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it will be live on the internet by the end of the day. Every line of code in every major project started exactly where you are right now. Your first commit is the beginning of your professional development journey. Tomorrow you'll dive into JavaScript, the language that powers the web. You'll write real programs, manipulate web pages, and build the logic skills every developer needs. Your journey starts now. Open Versus Code, follow the steps in your day guide, and build something you're proud of. See you on day 2.